Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm catching up on some of my Kickstarters that I have purchased, and they've been lying around waiting for me to film the unboxing. So this is the Solomon Pentacles 44 Ancient Talismans from Medieval Times Kickstarter, and I went through I saw a really good lecture on coins at WishCon, which I highly recommend. And I kind of went through a thing where I was like, wow, coins are really fascinating. And so I saw this on Kickstarter, and I really liked the Keys of Solomon, which are like sigils. And so I thought this would be a really nice resource. So it just goes through each of the keys, and it tells you what they do. So it's basically a guide. It shows you what it looks like, tells you what it does. It's pretty cool, pretty straightforward. So this is the guidebook. Came in this box. And then of course the coins themselves are in this bag. It's heavy. Let's see what we got. They're smaller than I thought. That's okay. They're nice quality. So you can see like a lot of detail. I'm just holding them any which way. I know that there's a direction that they face, but I am not being that particular. Namely because I'm not that familiar with them. This is a tool to help me learn. I know that at some point I need to get more proficient in sigil magic. It's a very, very powerful form of working, and I feel like this is a good place to start, or not, maybe not start here. This is pretty advanced. A good resource. The Witch's Moon has done some of these artworks, which I really like because they're nice and big, whereas this is a little smaller than I thought. But I could see how you could use this in a lot of ways. You could use them as tools. Like if you were going to maybe use a spell, you could put one on the altar, in the spell bag, or several that you wanted to strengthen the work with. It's up to you. You could, even cast them. Like throw a handful out or randomly grab a handful, and the ones that are face up are meant for you. Or you could reach your hand in the bag and the one that you grab is like a message to you. Be creative. I think that you have to always kind of consider how things work with your practice. There are rules, of course, but there are rules that are there for your guidance, and there are rules that are there for your safety, and there are rules that are just general things that you want to avoid or that you want to do. everything has rules. But you got to get creative and think outside the box sometimes. So, it's exactly what it was advertised to be. It's good quality coins. A little smaller than I thought, but I'm absolutely certain they put in the measurements. I just didn't pay that good of attention. I felt called to purchase this because I feel like at some point in the future, this is going to be very particularly important knowledge for me. I don't know how I know that. That's just a feeling. So definitely check this out. Good quality, nice book. Infinite possibility. This is the King Solomon's Pentacle coins, 44 metal coins, as outlined in the 15th century grimoire, the Key of Solomon. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.